Hi. In this video, we will show you how to set restrictions on adding or updating time logs. To do this, go to the System Settings and open the Setup and Configuration, then the System Values tab. With the Lock Time Entries feature, administrators gain the ability to limit users from adding or editing new time entries on matters, based on the chosen matter workflow status or based on specific conditions. On the System Values tab, go to Lock Add Update Matter Time Entries, click Yes to activate it. Specify the workflows that you want to lock. You can select groups that will not follow this restriction, then click on Save. Similarly, to prevent users from adding or editing time entries before X number of days, go to Lock Add or Update Time Entries, activate it, specify the number of days in the past. You can select groups that will not follow this restriction. To prevent users from adding/editing time entries in the previous month, during the first X days of the current month, simply choose the monthly lock time entries, activate it, specify the days and the restricted groups. Moreover, to enforce daily time log entries and prevent users from adding new logs if no time was logged the previous day, navigate to the Lock Time Entry section, activate it, and select the starting date from which you want to begin locking time entries. For more information about Lexzur, kindly reach out to us at help@lexzur.com.